In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable tap to wake. So essence of tap to wake is just this. When you have your iPhone screen off and then you tap the screen like this, the screen is going to come on again. So with tap to wake, your iPhone screen can easily be double tap to wake the screen once the screen is off. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to disable tap to wake on your iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility. Once you hit accessibility, come to physical and motor and tap touch, then scroll down, then locate tap to wake, then turn this off. Once that is off, the tap to wake feature will be disabled. You see this? Now, if I turn off my iPhone screen and I tap like this, the rest to wake is no longer going to be active. But if I go back to the settings page and then turn on tap to wake, let me turn this off, then double tap. You see the difference? So this is how you can easily disable tap to wake or enable tap to wake on your iPhone. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.